Welcome back, guys. We are here today to talk about Nike. Now, I don't have much time to get this video out because they are reporting earnings after market close today. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you they're looking kind of bearish, kind of neutral. So the play here is almost certainly going to be a call credit spread or a short iron condor. If you were dying to do something fancy, you could probably go for some kind of butterfly, but I'm not going to do that. Now, as always, make sure to like and subscribe. Like because it's a cool thing to do and I make you money. Subscribe because you need to get these plays as soon as they come out. Otherwise, they're pretty much useless. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys ready for the short version of an already short format? Revenue and earnings are trash. They completely bombed on their last EPS estimates. The last 4 years, they've either slightly beat or completely bombed. The PC ratio is at a kind of bullish 0.45. The price action leading up to earnings has been kind of all over the place, but Nike's still up more than 20% since their last earnings, which seems a little crazy. The play for me is going to have to be a call credit spread one standard deviation away from the current market price, which as of right now is 121 and 120 with a 9/20 expiry date. Now you could do a short iron condor, but I have long positions this week, so I'm using this one as a hedge. That's it for the ultra short format Nike play. Now remember, if you need a good broker, a good source of stock market news, or a good source of options flow, check the referral links down below. We both get a bonus when you use that, so that's super awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Look out for a Costco play coming tomorrow. And once again, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because if you don't get these videos as soon as they come out, they're not going to be any good to you. Thanks for watching. Make some money.